chilling dowry horror from Noida has now taken a dramatic turn. The husband, accused of burning his wife alive, he has been shot at by the police. The police say that Vipin Bhati, the accused, tried to escape custody in Greater Noida, where he was gunned down in the leg. Meanwhile, questions are mounting on the brutality of the dowry crimes and the police's crackdown. In fact, the accused Vipin Bhati, he tried to flee is what the police is saying, and then he was shot in the foot. He tried to escape while he was in custody. The woman was burnt by her husband and her in-laws is what the police also are mentioning. Remember, the son of this man, he in fact spoke in front of the media yesterday where he said that her mother was burnt alive by his father and the family. In fact, the police now they had arrested Vipin Bhati. He tried to escape. He was then shot at in the foot. He is currently at the hospital. The police have mentioned that the husband tried to run away.
कुछ कहना चाहते हो आप? गलती पछतावा है? गलती का पछतावा है आपको?
मुझे नहीं मैंने मारी है।
हाँ।
ना मैंने कुछ किया है, अपने आप मरी है।
हाँ, अच्छा। और आप पहले भी मारपीट करते थे उससे?
मियाँ बीवी में हर जगह लड़ाई होती रहती है, ये कोई आम बात नहीं है।
अच्छा। और वो अपने आप लगाई?
बस मुझे और कुछ नहीं पता ना।
पछतावा है?
नहीं, हाँ बहुत पछतावा है।
बच्चा
भी चली गई।
बच्चा भी 5 साल का।
हाँ
ठीक है।
अभी साहब ने क्या देखा था बताना बेटा।
मम्मा के ऊपर गाले कूद डाला, फिर मम्मा को चाहता मारा, फिर लाइटर से आग लगा दी थी।
21 अगस्त को थाना कांसना पे सूचना प्राप्त हुई थी कि एक पति ने अपने परिवारजनों को साथ मिलकर अपनी पत्नी की हत्या कर दी है। इस सूचना पे तत्काल पुलिस ने सुसंगत धाराओं में मुकदमा पंजीकृत किया था और आरोपी पति को गिरफ्तार किया था। आज रिकवरी के लिए उसे थाना कांसना पुलिस ले आई थी। जिस फ्लेमेबल पदार्थ से उसने अपनी पत्नी को जलाया था, उसके बॉटल की रिकवरी के लिए यहाँ पे ले आए थे। रिकवरी के दौरान वो एक दरोगा पिस्टल छीनकर भागा और पुलिस पे जान से मारने की नियत से फायर किया। पुलिस की जवाबी कार्रवाई में उसके पैर में गोली लगी। घायल को तत्काल जो है इलाज के लिए अस्पताल भिजवा दिया गया है। आगे की कार्रवाई प्रचलित है।
Meanwhile, for further investigation, the forensic team has now arrived at the spot and this is the encounter spot that we are talking about, and NDTV is getting you all the details right from ground zero. Remember, as I mentioned, the husband, he was arrested, Vipin Bhati, he was arrested for the death of his wife. He tried to escape. He was shot at by the police after an escape attempt. In fact, let's take a look at this report from Tanushka Datta from ground zero.
Well, we're currently in Greater Noida area, and this is the area and the spot wherein this encounter happened between the police and Vipin Bhati, the accused in the case. As you can see around me here, this is where Vipin Bhati was shot in the leg while he was trying to escape police custody. We're given to understand that Vipin tried to, wriggle out the pistol from one of the policemen while he was being taken, and he was in police custody, and this is where the police had to open fire onto Vipin Bhati, who's the accused in this alleged dowry death case. And Vipin Bhati was trying to escape the police, wherein the police shot at Vipin Bhati on his leg. So this is the area where this encounter happened between the police and Vipin Bhati. We do understand that Vipin was arrested by the police, and the other 3 accused in the case being Vipin's brother and Vipin's parents, that is to be the mother-in-law, the father-in-law and the brother-in-law to Nikki. Nikki is the 28-year-old woman who's lost her life after she was burnt alive by her husband after being allegedly tortured for over 9 years of her marriage. She was married to Vipin Bhati for a period of 9 years, and over this period repeatedly, she was harassed. Her parents were also harassed for dowry. At the time of the wedding, the family, Vipin Bhati's family, Vipin himself also asked for a lot in dowry. A Scorpio car was given to them, money was given, jewelry was also given, gold jewelry. However, over the course of 9 years, they kept, repeatedly asking for more in terms of dowry, and her parents and Nikki, of course, were complying, but after a certain point, they were unable to comply, which is when Vipin Bhati decides to set his wife on fire while she's alive, that too in front of their mere 6-year-old boy. The 6-year-old boy witnessed his mother being set on fire right in front of his own eyes, and he's also spoken to NDTV, this little boy who said that he saw his father light his mother on fire. This is the spot wherein Vipin Bhati was being taken by the Noida UP police, and we understand this is where the encounter happened. We're showing you the ground visuals here, and we are also understanding that, earlier after speaking to Nikki's parents in the morning, Nikki's father had asked precisely for this. He said that, the only justice that they want is an encounter to happen, and his wishes have some about come true. Vipin Bhati has been shot in the leg by the police, and after being shot in the leg, after being asked also that what happened, his version, his narrative is that he did not kill Nikki, that this was a suicide on Nikki's part, and that he has, regrets about her dying, but he has no regrets at large at this point. This is what Vipin Bhati said after being shot in the leg by the police at this very spot.